At the request of lawmakers, the Department of Administration's Human Resources Division finally delivered documents on the governor's Hay Plan proposal to the Guam legislature. DOA Director Benita Manglona explains.
We attempted to deliver 20 boxes of documents yesterday. There were like 4 staff that went over there, and the Speaker's office refused delivery, so we took them back.
The information on the estimated 30,000 pages were HR documents used by professionals to scientifically plan and implement the pay raises in the Hay Plan. 20 employees from DOA, BBMR, and the governor's office spent the past several days preparing for the delivery.
If they didn't want those documents, they should have at least let us know.
A release from the governor's office Monday stated the Speaker's office refused the documents as they demanded DOA staff to separate the documents further by agency, inventory the documents, and provide a manifest of the documents being transmitted.
But when they came yesterday, the individuals who delivered the boxes or attempted to deliver the boxes from DOA could not identify at all whether these in fact are the documents that we had requested for. So we didn't know what were in the boxes. They were not labeled, they were not itemized. The individuals from DOA didn't either.
Speaker Judy Wampat today says last month, prior to the second public hearing with DOA on the Hay Plan, she, along with Vice Speaker B.J. Cruz and Senator Ben Pangilinan, had sent a joint letter requesting an agency-by-agency breakdown of the costs, a detailed description where the funding would come from, a step-and-grade comparison between the 2010 and 2014 plans, and the methodology used to determine the executive pay plan.
They said that they wanted an inventory of the documents. Well, there was a transmitter letter, and it indicated what was being transmitted, so I don't know what more did they want.
Manglona, meanwhile, says putting together the documents wasn't an easy process, and if they want to view them, it sits at DOA waiting for them.
We have a lot of work to do. I don't think we have the resources to keep going back and forth.
Wampat, meanwhile, says going back and forth also isn't doing any justice in moving the Hay Plan forward.
We're supposed to be working together. And by the way the government is set up, it is our job, of course, to ask these questions, to get this detailed information to support, the request of a dollar amount that they're asking for. And that makes sense.
Governor Calvo already has made it clear he will veto Bill 268. Wampat hopes otherwise, but says lawmakers are already in discussion on what their options are, which include an override attempt or possible court action.
I know that it's available to the legislature, at least, to ask for an injunction, to ask, of course, for an interpretation. That's provided for in the Organic Act, so it's an option. I'm not, saying that that's the route we're going to be moving in.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintaniza.